Okay, writing the inequalities from a graph. In this case, we're going to work with 2 dimensions. Make sure you understand 1 dimension. We have a video on that. So let's now go to 2 dimensions. So the first thing you should know is how to write a graph. How to write the equation of the graph by seeing the graph. So let's take a look. I'm going to give you a really nice hack to how to write the equation. Remember that usually you need 2 points and you do y equal mx plus b and you find the value of the b and so on, but we're not gonna do any of that. So the b is the y-intercept. I put the point here so you can see that in the y-axis there is an intercept here which is 0, -3. It means that my b is -3. So my equation will be y equals something minus 3 because it's my -3 here. Okay, another thing is, remember the slope is mx something x minus 3. That something is m, the slope. M is rise over run. So rise over run. So I need to see what's the rise over run in the graph. So from here I see a graph pass through here, then a graph pass through here too. This is a -1, a 1 comma -1. Let me write it bigger. So then from here you count 1, 2. So my rise it's 2, and then my run is 1. So it means 2 over 1. So basically that's it. Now let's take a look at this line. This line is a dash line. It's like this, which means that the line is not including in the solution, so it cannot be equal, and also the solution is over the line. So the real one, the real and final inequality will be y is greater because go up, and is not greater or equal because does not include this line, 2x minus 3, and that's it. It's done. Very easy. So you get the graph and you can write the inequality. Make sure you understand very well the equation of the line. Then we have another graph here, and the same, we follow the same process. You find the y-intercept here, which in this case is 1, 0, 1. So that means that the graph will be y mx. We don't know the m right now, but it's x plus 1. We need to find it. Now we see that the line is a solid line, which means that the equal will be including. And also because it's down, it's below the line, it means less than. Less than or equal to, now we need to find the slope. Remember, slope is run over rise. So my run is 1, and then my rise here, sorry, rise over run. Rise is 1 and run is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point here, maybe you don't see, it's 4, 2. So it means rise is 1, put the 1, over run, and run is 4. So you see what we have is y less than or equal to 1/4 x plus 1, and that's it. Very simple. That's how to write the inequality from a graph in 2 dimensions.